Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we're going to show you exactly how to remove new tab shortcuts in Google Chrome so you can keep your new tab page clean and organized. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open a new tab in Google Chrome. This will show you all your current shortcuts and give you a place to manage them easily. It's the first step to customizing your browsing experience. Step 2. Click on the Customize Chrome pencil icon at the bottom right corner of the new tab page. This icon lets you access Chrome's settings for appearance and shortcuts, making it easy to make changes. Step 3. In the window that appears, click on Shortcuts. Here you can see options for managing the shortcuts that appear on your new tab page, which helps keep things organized. Step 4. Toggle off the Show Shortcuts option. This will remove all shortcuts at once, giving you a clean and uncluttered new tab page to start fresh. Method 2. Step 1. Open a new tab in Google Chrome. This gives you access to the shortcuts that you want to remove individually. Step 2. Hover your cursor over the shortcut you want to delete. This will reveal additional options so you can manage each shortcut separately. Step 3. Click on the 3-dot icon that appears on the shortcut. This menu provides actions like editing or removing the shortcut quickly. Step 4. Click on Remove from the drop-down menu. This deletes the selected shortcut, helping you customize your new tab page exactly how you like it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.